Blooming whole spices is the key to this style of cuisine. Cinnamon, clove, whole cumin seed, and whole mustard seed. And the earthy, citrusy flavor of whole curry leaves. What I don't use, I suckalux. They'll last in the freezer for 6 months. Nothing like whole curry leaves. The other key to this style of cooking is taking the time to build those flavors. I recommend staying close by if you're going to do this well. As the water comes out, that ghee reappears, letting you know it's time to add the next layer. Onions, chilies, and we can start adding our dry spices. Coriander, lots of turmeric, and garam masala, which is like a blend of everything. If your senses haven't started going crazy yet, they're about to be. Make a hole, and fresh tomatoes, flesh side down. We're building that sauce. This is the art of building flavors. If you want to remove those tomato skins, now's a good time. This part to me always seems counterintuitive. Taking the time to build all that flavor, and then just adding raw chicken. It seems crazy to add water to that once you've taken so much time to reduce it. But that's how we build flavor. Half that water's gone, and that chicken's definitely cooked. To me, this is the whole reason we're here. Coconut cream. If you want it to taste like Indian takeout, f the milk, use the cream. Now it looks f***ing perfect. For complete authenticity, always finish with kasuri methi. I call it Indian dried parsley. Its flavor is unique, there is no substitution.
That is really, really f***ing good.